Right, happy Monday, traders. Welcome to this morning's stream. So we're doing a little bit of live trading with Hydra. We'll speak about markets and then give a little bit of update on some of my challenges that I'm running with them at the moment. We'll give an update on one. But yeah, happy Monday. So obviously last week we had a massive run up on the indexes. This is the Nasdaq US 100 on the 15-minute time frame, right? So if we just come over here, I mean, last week we just had an insane run up from Monday's open all the way till Friday's closing price. We're up over 5%, right? So I managed to have a pretty solid week that I still need to actually complete here, but pretty solid week here. Last week from the Monday to the Friday, I made $3,000. I still need to finish my weekly report cards. This is really essential that I need to get this done before the open today. But obviously a massive run up here on the indexes. I mean, the Nasdaq was over 5%. Let's look at SPX. SPX from Monday's open price. From Monday's open price was up 4%. I mean, that's pretty big for SPX, which is generally a slower mover. The Dow was up. Yeah, 3%. Normally, that's one of the bigger movers. So yeah, it moves quite aggressively, but and then the DAX. So all world indexes up pretty big last week, and then the DAX. Let's have a look here. The DAX, which also do like trading, over 3% as well. So massive moves. I would stay long bias coming into the open today, but obviously Mondays. If you also look at edge-full statistics, Mondays are in the last couple of years statistically have been some of the most bullish days they are, right? So if we pull up edge-full statistics that you guys know I love having a look at and using in my own trading. But if we pull up the Nasdaq, so NQ, let's have a look here, favorites, and let's go green and red days by weekday, right? So in the last 2 years, right, Mondays have been generally the most bullish days. 66% of the time on a Monday we close as a bullish day, right? So just knowing these statistics, I want to be bullish on Mondays. They are statistically the most bullish days in the last 2 years on the Nasdaq and most indexes. But we have had multiple days to the high side, right? I mean, we've had like 6 bullish days here to the high side, maybe even more. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So a pullback is, we have to have some bearish day and closures to rebalance things and maybe move higher. But I would stay long bias today, and maybe just sit on some cash in your hands, right? But if we just give a little bit of an update on one of my Hydra challenges, this is a 25K account, and go check them out. So Hydra funding, sponsored and sponsors my streams, also endorsed by Cameron Foos. A lot of you guys should know Cameron Foos across the crypto markets and a long-term veteran trader. But I have no issues with payouts with them, and really solid firm with good spreads. Go check them out. The link is in my bio. But yeah, I'm up 590 out. I've got to make $2,500. This is a one-step account, which I do like. They got the static drawdown one-step accounts. I'm actually at the moment with all funding companies, with Hydra, with my funded FX, E8. I've got a few running with funded Next. I've got a lot of different companies running at the moment. I am choosing the one-step challenges with static drawdown. I am preferring that. So there's something that you guys can maybe have a look at, and that's just what I'm doing. Take it or leave it, right? But Hydra have great spreads, great stuff. So I really am enjoying the trading conditions with them. So I've got another about $2,000 to make with them on this before getting this into a funded stage. And I am also, so these are two things that I would take from this. With prop firms, I am, instead of buying a 100K account, I'm buying 250K accounts or 425K accounts. It just gives me time to split up the risk. I've got different payout dates when I do get them to the funded stage. And yes, guys are like, oh, it's only 25K. Well, if you've got 425K accounts, they all add up. It's still a 100K account, right? So I'm doing one-step accounts with static drawdown. And then I am, instead of buying one big 200K account, I'm buying 450K accounts or, 8 25K accounts, stuff like that. So just a little bit of tips when it comes to prop firms. But Hydra funding, this is their dashboard, really great, for index trading specifically as well, which I really do enjoy. And they do offer MT4 and MT5 and to US clients as well. So go check them out. The link is in my bio. But for today's session, I'm going to be focused on long biased. I am wary that we've had multiple days to the high side. but we'll see what happens when the market opens up. We are at the moment extended trading hours down on Nvidia almost 1% and down on Tesla 1%. Pretty mixed bag across the Mag 7 here. So just keep up to date with that. And the VIX is up as well. So we'll see what we do get coming into today's session. But go check out Hydra funding. The link is in my bio. And then I've given you some tips with what I'm doing with prop firms at the moment. I'm buying small accounts for more, splitting up the risk, different payout dates. And then I also am doing one-step static drawdowns. But yeah, we'll see you guys on for the trading session. Have a good Monday, and we'll see you on ASFX TV. The link is also in my bio. Please, everything that you guys do need from me, all my links, everything like that is in my bio. Go check it out. The journal that I did show you is TradeZella. That is also my bio. Go check it out. But yeah, please join me on ASFX TV this week. We've had some great trades, actually. If I actually bring it up on stream in the last couple, I've had a pretty green last 3 months, as I've shared. But if you come and have a look at ASFX TV, you can watch me every single Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday at 10:30 Eastern time. But there is streams on Mondays, Tuesdays. There's streams every single day. Right, last week we had a nice DAX winner as well as a Dow winner, and then we also made money trading the Dow and Nasdaq on the 14th. So I get different guys on my stream. We get guys from Hydra funding on here, guys from Edgeful. So please stay aware as to this is all for $10 a month, and you can get all updates from all different streamers across the board. All of this you can watch it live, and if you can't, you can always rewatch it. So go check us out. The link is in my bio, ASFX TV, $10 a month. There is a 7-day free trial as well. So please go check us out. For live trading, I mean, you get on the stream, you'll definitely make more than $10 with me in the month. And then you got Austin, Evan, and Zach as well for Power Hour. So yeah, go check Hydra funding as well as our ASFX TV out. We'll see you on my streams this week. Cheers, everyone. Have a good Monday.